Hi guys, this is my meals, my lunch. Chicken, sweet and sour chicken, then 2 fried chicken with kangkong and patula. Then I will add egg. That is my meals without rice. You know guys, I'm very long time not having eating rice, but I fulfilled my hungriness is satisfied with this chicken. I am so watchful with my diet already. My dietitian teach me how to do protein diet. Yan, but I have 100 plus energy, but cannot drink every day. This one. Just give another sometimes. Okay. This is my meals, and thank you for my trainer because he taught me to be accurate with my diet, no hurtful for the stomach, and you have to try this. Try protein. I will show you the vegetables. Yan, kangkong. Yan, satisfied na ako nito guys, and promise busog na busog ka even though without rice. Ayan, alisin ko muna kasi hindi ako nagluto ngayon. That is all tapaw. We call it tapaw. Ang laki ng chicken. Yan, nabutas yung ano ko. Yan, then this one, sweet and sour. Yan lang guys, mabubusog na ako nito. And thank you for watching guys. I hope you learn something from my diet. Although fried yan, pero masarap yan guys. Nakakabusog. Chicken. Yan, para mawala yung mga bilbil natin. Mag-chicken tayo ng maraming chicken. Ganito, energy drink. But seldom lang ang 100 plus. Supposedly, water, a lot of water. And of course, protein. Next time, mag-isda naman ako. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. And have a blessed day to all of you. Thank you and bye. I love you all. Bye. Thank you for the blessing, Lord.